waking. Hey, Patrick, it's waking up.
Oh boy, did I miss it?
No, the show's about to begin. What's wrong with Clam? Easy, girl. It's me, Joe. Remember?
Now this is a show.
Attention zoo patrons! Clammoo the giant oyster is on an emotional rampage. Please scream and run around in circles.
You boys gotta get out of this area pronto. There's nothing more dangerous than an emotionally disturbed oyster. You didn't do anything that might have caused this horrible tragedy, did you?
Yes way.
Only a jerk would upset a gentle giant. Right, SpongeBob?
Okay. Ready?